The market has three structures. The market has three structures. We have the bullish structure, we have the bearish structure, and we have the ranging structure. All right. The bullish structure, we have the bearish structure, we have the ranging structure. The bullish structure is also called the bullish market or uptrend. The bearish structure is also called the bearish trend or downtrend, all right, or bearish market, all right. And the ranging structure is also called the consolidation or manipulation or market, all right. Good. So bullish market forms higher highs and higher lows. The bearish structure forms higher lows and lower lows, or the lower highs or lower lows. Take note of it. The bullish structure forms the higher highs and the higher lows, and the bearish structure forms the lower lows and the lower highs. The ranging structure do not form either lower low, higher high, lower high, or higher low. All right. So we buy in the bullish structure, we sell in the bearish structure, and we don't buy or sell in a ranging structure. Take note of it. So we have a bullish structure over here. The market will first make a low. The market will first make a high over here. Once it creates a high, it's going to give you a new low over here. This is our new low. So the market is going to take the high over here. All right. Once the market takes out this high over here and it pulls back again, all right, market is forming bullish structure. Take note of it. So it will take this high, it's going to take this high also. All right. So once it takes this high, all right, so we have two highs taken out. All right. So we have our high, this high has been taken out. We have this high also has been taken out. All right. Good. This high has been taken out. I'm talking about this high. All right. This high has been taken out. This high also has been taken out. Or this high has broken out. This high has broken out. So once the highs are being broken out, it means market is forming an uptrend. Take note of it. Once the market is breaking out the highs, it means market is forming an uptrend. All right. So market will create another high over here. Sorry guys. So market will create another high over here. All right. So once this high is also taken, all right, it tells you that the market is now forming uptrend. All right. So we have three highs taken out. We have first high, we have second high, and we have third high over here. All right. So these three highs has been taken. So once market is breaking the highs, it means market is forming uptrend. So guys, now move on to the bearish structure. All right. So now we've learned our bullish structure over here. We have our high over here being taken out. This high also being taken out, and this high is also being taken out. So, and this is how the bearish structure forms. All right. Market will create a low over here. All right. Market will create a low over here. This is serving as our high. All right. This is also serving as our new high. All right. Good. And this is serving as our new low. So if price take as this low, if price takes out this low over there, all right, when it breaks it or it takes it out, it means market is forming bearish trend. All right. If market is forming a bearish trend, it's going to create another new low over here. another low over here. Once this low too is taken out, it confirms that what market is forming what bearish what structure. So this low also has been taken out. And listen it. So we have our first low being taken out over here. Our first low has been taken out over here. Our second low also has been taken out over here. Alright. So if price pulls back again and it comes down to test out on this low, takes out this way, it means market is forming what? Bearish what? Structure or bearish what? Trend. Alright? That's it. So this is our bullish market. Alright? This is our bullish market, and this is what? Our bearish what? Market. Alright? And this is what? Our bearish what? Market. So in the bullish market, market sticks out what? The highs. Alright? In the bullish market, market takes out what? The highs. Alright? It breaks out what? The highs, the high, the high. So once it's taking out the highs, alright? Once price is taking out the highs or price is breaking out the highs, it means market is forming what? Bullish structure or bullish what? Trend. Alright? The same way when price is taking the lows or is breaking out what? The lows, alright? It's breaking out the low. It means market is forming what? Bearish what? Trend. Alright, so let's move on to the ranging market. Let's move on to the ranging market. The ranging market has no specific trend. It has no trend, alright? It has no trend. So market is moving down, up, down, up, down, up. Alright? Market is not taking these highs. The same way market is also not taking out what? This low. Alright? Good. So when market is not taking out these highs, when market is not taking out the highs, these highs that I'm pulling, alright? If price or market is not taking the highs, alright? It's not taking the highs, it's not taking the highs. It means market is forming what? A ranging what? Market. If market is not taking the low two, the low two, the low two, it means market is forming what? Ranging what? Market, alright? So these are the ranging market forms. Alright? So it will first create a high over here. It will come down like this. Instead for it to take out this high, it will fail to take out what? This high. And it will pull back again. Instead of the market to take out this low, it will fail to what? To take out what? This low. Alright? And it will pull back again. Instead of it to take out the highs, it will fail to take out what? The highs. Then it will pull back again. Instead of to take the lows, it will fail to take out what? The lows. So once market is forming this way, it means market is not in a ranging what? Market. Alright? Market is not in a ranging market. Alright, so this is serving as what? Our ranging market. This is serving as our bullish market. This is serving as what? Our bearish what? Market. In price action, take note of this. In price action, ranging market, the highs, the failed highs is serving as what? Resistance. Alright, is serving as what? Resistance. So for better understanding, we call it as what? Rooftop. For better understanding, we call it what? Rooftop. So this is what? Our resistance, and this is what? Our support. Take note. In price action, alright? This is what? Your resistance, and this is what? Your support. Alright? So if you want to trade ranging market, alright, wait for price to break out either the resistance or the support. Alright? Wait for price to break out this resistance. Alright? Wait for price to break out and retest the resistance before what you can think of what of buying. The same way, if price breaks out on the support and retest this, that's where you can think of what of selling. Alright? So if price breaks out this resistance and pulls back to retest it, it means market is giving what? A buy signal at this point. It gives what? A buy signal as well. It means market is beginning to what? To form what? A bullish what? Trend. Alright? The same way, if price breaks out this support and retest the support, it giving what? A signal here that you need to what? To sell. So once it breaks the low over here, it means market is forming what? Bearish what? Trend. Once this move going upwards takes out the high, it means market is forming what? Bullish what? Trend. So in the ranging market, you don't sell or buy in the ranging market. You wait for breakout or not and retest, then what? You buy. The same way you wait for breakout and retest, then what? You sell. Alright? So resistance and what? Your support. So we wait for a breakout from what? Your resistance and retest the resistance. So once it retest the resistance, it's serving as your support. So you buy over here. The same way once it breaks out the resistance over here and it retest the zone here, it's serving as what? Alright? It's serving as what? Your resistance. Alright, so you sell from here. So how do you know that the market is forming bullish structure or bearish structure in the ranging market? So if price breaks out the resistance, all right? If price breaks out the resistance, all right? If price breaks out the resistance like this, and it's put back to retest it, and it goes upward to take out this high, to break out this high, all right? It means market is forming what? Bullish structure. The same way when price breaks out the support and pulls back to retest what? The support over here, and it comes down again to break out this low. Alright, to break out this low, it means market is from what? Bearish structure. Alright, so that's it. You have your bullish trend, you have what? Your bearish trend, and you have what? Your ranging what? Market. Alright, so this is your high. Alright, this is our high. No, sorry, this is our low. Take note of it. Sorry, this is what? Our low. Our low, alright? This is what? Our low. This is what? Our high. Take note of it. So, we have our low over here. We have what? Our high over here. We have another low over here. But this time, this is called what? Lower low. Alright? Lower high, alright? Or higher low, alright? It's called the higher low, alright? Higher low or lower high. Take note of it. Alright? So we have what? Our higher low over here. Here will serve as what? Our higher high. Alright? We have our higher high over here. We have another higher high over here too. Alright? So we have our low. We have our low over here. We have our new high over here. Alright? We have our higher low over here. Alright? We have our higher low over here. Here is 7 as well. Our higher high. Our higher high. Alright? So we have our higher low. Alright? We have another higher low at this point. Alright? So this is what we call bullish trend. Market is forming series of higher highs and what? Higher lows. Alright? Market is forming series of what? Higher highs and what? Higher lows. So let's move on to our bearish trend. We have our high over here. Alright? We have our high over here. We have our low over here. We have our low over here. Alright? We have our lower high over here. Lower high over here. This is another lower high. This is another what? Lower high. Alright? So here will be called your lower low. Lower low. Lower low. Alright? lower low, we have what, another lower low over here. So in the bearish trend, market is forming what? Series of what? Lower highs and what? Lower low, alright? Series of lower highs and what? Lower lows. In the bullish market, market is forming series of what? Higher highs and what? Higher lows, alright? Take note of this. So now in the bullish market, we buy from what? The low, alright? We buy from what? The lows. Now the higher lows we buy from here. We buy here, we buy here, we buy what? Also here, alright? We buy at low, alright? In bullish market, we buy at what? At low. So we buy here, we buy here, we buy what? Here. Take note of this. We buy here, we buy what? From this point, alright? We're going to buy, we're going to buy, alright? Good. I repeat again. In the bullish market, we buy from what? From the low. Alright? We buy from the low. And in the bearish market, we sell from what? From the high. Take note. So we are going to buy from here. Alright? We buy from here. We buy from here. Alright? Good. And the bearish trend, you sell from here. We sell also from what? This point. Alright, we sell, we sell, we sell, we sell. So we buy low, we sell high. Take note of it. Buy low, sell high. I repeat, buy low, sell high. Alright, so that is it.